How to set up your Game Ready device. Unzip your sleeve and insert ATX bladder. Ensure there are no creases and zip the sleeve up. Press button to open the lid. Slowly pour water into the reservoir just above the blue line. Fill the remaining area with ice to the top of the reservoir. Close the lid until you hear a click and connect the power cord. Connect large end of hose to the unit and apply the wrap around the joint. Clip the small end of the hose to the ATX connector. Press the power button on. Set the time to 20 minutes and press play. Before your cycle commences, you can adjust the temperature by turning the silver dial. You can also increase or decrease the compression level by pressing the pressure button.